This is a brand new 2013 GMC Yukon. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 6.2-liter V8, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, voice recognition, a sunroof, a 3-zone climate control system so that each front seat as well as rear seat passengers can set temperature settings to their own comfort level, an air suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a rear seat DVD entertainment center, XM satellite radio, chrome wheels, roof rails, leather seats, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, an unattended headlight warning chime, adjustable driver pedals, and 10 perfectly positioned speakers, producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Thank you for considering Wiesner Buick GMC for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. Our family-owned dealerships have been serving the Houston and Conroe areas since 1972. If you have any questions, visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located on Interstate 45 at the Wilson exit in Conroe. We look forward to serving you.